McKenna here from the Plowman team. Welcome to my newest listing located in Whitby. 17 Playfair has tons of gorgeous upgrades. Get ready. We've got an upgraded kitchen here. All stainless steel appliances, beautiful counters, and upgraded cabinets. This is the primary bedroom. Look at all the natural lighting, and check out those vaulted ceilings. Up on the main level, we've got a beautiful renovated bathroom. Check this out. Here we've got bedroom number 2. Again, look at this lighting. We've got a huge closet as well. Bedroom number 3. Floor number 3. Welcome to the basement. Definitely awesome for entertaining or if you just want a cozy night in. We've got tons of extra pantry space and the bonus, access to the garage. As you'll notice when you come through this property, the landscaping has been meticulously maintained. It looks great. Get ready for the summer.